welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Central African Republic. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply a tourist visa or any kind of visa to a country, the very first thing you need to do is to find out if you really need a visa, because based on your nationality, purpose, and duration, you may or may not need a visa. Once you find out, then you need to look for the mission, diplomatic mission, embassy, consulate, whichever is applicable to the region where you are. And you need to check requirements as per them, because based on your location, there could be additional requirements, additional payment mode, or additional forms too. It could happen, right? So that's why it's very important that you follow like that. So let's proceed, guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the Central African Republic Embassy in Washington site. Americans don't need, but those who live in America, they need, right? So what are the requirements? Valid passport, okay. Two visa application form fully filled and signed. Two identical passport size photograph color. Letter from employer that you will return back. Visa fee they have given. This may vary based on locations, no doubt. Applications by mail, fees must be paid with money order, okay. Enclose a self-addressed prepaid written envelope with a tracking number. Okay. Flight itinerary, invitation letter from inviting partner or hotel reservation. Okay. For official passport, there are some other requirements. And they take 48 hours. You can download form from here. Okay, perfect. So when I download, this is what it comes with. Okay. So family name, it's in English also, so you can easily fill it up. It's very simple and nothing much is there. Type of visa you need, how many days you're gonna stay, reason for the trip. If you have been there before, you need to provide the information. Then at the end, you're gonna sign and photo, and that's it. So with this, you can apply. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.